Hey there, this is Sam Peters. If you know me or you've taken a guitar lesson with me before, you know I dig a cool blues song. Here's a song called Born Under a Bad Sign. It was written by Albert King and it was later covered by Cream. The songs are in two different keys, so you'll have an opportunity to practice your lead in multiple keys. So the Albert King version of Born Under a Bad Sign is played in C sharp minor. Right here, I'm playing right here on the 2nd fret. The scale that I'm using looks like this. 2-4, I'm calling out the fret numbers. 2-4, 2-4, 2-4 on the D string, 1-4 on the G, 2-5 on the B string, and 2-4 here on the high E. So open E there. And I like to slide into that C sharp. If you're looking to play lead over this thing, and I hope you are, I have backing tracks available for you. Use your C sharp minor pentatonic or C sharp blues, which is a hexatonic scale, the 6-note scale. It looks like this. Here's your blues scale, 1-4, starting on the 9th fret. This is your first position. 1-4, 1-2-3. I'm talking fingers here. 1-4, 1-2-3. 1-3, 1-3-4, 1-4, 1-4. Now, something that's kind of fun over this song is to play C sharp Dorian. That's kind of a cool sound. So I'll play a little bit of C sharp Dorian, and you'll get an idea of something you can kind of do over this song. So let's put that thing together. In this version of Born Under a Bad Sign by Cream, Eric Clapton primarily plays in G minor pentatonic. I'll play a little bit of Dorian on this song as well, G Dorian, and just so you can hear what that sounds like. I think it's pretty cool, and I think you'll enjoy using that as well. So here we go.